Hello guys, my name is Martin and welcome to the Prowise stand. I'm going to show you some of the new Prowise Touchscreen, which is over here. A brand new screen. It comes with a 4K LG IPS panel, wide viewing angle. It has up to 32 touch points. Integrated 2.1 soundbar, Dolby certified. Also integrated wide area microphones, which can be used to host a Skype session. NFC login for easy access to Windows 10. And last but not least, a Prowise 3-in-1 Move camera, which can be used to either host your Skype or Hangout sessions, or to use it for teaching and moving, a kind of new way of teaching. So this is actually a pretty loaded huddle configuration. It comes with our built-in Android 8.1 software. It has annotation software called ProNote. We support mirroring up to 4 devices. We have full support for Apple AirPlay, Windows Miracast and Google Chromecast. The Windows App Store actually just added to our brand new panel, which can be used to easily add apps to your central environment. So this all comes with a 5-year app warranty, a 5-year full warranty on hardware, the highest privacy and security features, and all for a very spectacular price. Thank you. If you want to have more information, just go to www.prowise.com or to our brand new website my.prowise.com. Thank you.